Don't you wish there was something super easy you could do to calm down every time you feel anxious about something? Well, there is, and it's entirely plant-based. Aromatherapy is one of the most effective ways to deal with anxiety. One quick sniff of a beautiful blend of essential oils can instantly reset your nervous system so you can feel calmer and more peaceful. In this video, we are going to show you how to do it with a simple aromatherapy roll-on recipe that you can easily make at home. If this is your first time here, welcome. We are Sparoom, an aromatherapy brand dedicated to sharing how-tos and DIY projects that bring peace and joy into your home. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you never miss on one of our upcoming videos. Let's make our aromatherapy roll-on to soothe anxiety. This recipe will make one 10 milliliter roll-on bottle and can last for months, depending on how often you use it. Everything we will be using is listed in the description along with the recipe. This is what you'll need to mix everything. A 10 milliliter roll-on bottle is about 2 teaspoons. You can find these in a variety of colors from amber glass to blue or green, but we're going to use a simple clear one. Now, next, you're going to need a small beaker or a Pyrex measuring cup to mix everything. We prefer these because they have these little spouts, which will make pouring your mixture into the small opening of the 10 milliliter roll-on bottle much easier. We are going to use a small glass beaker and a wooden popsicle stick to blend everything together. Plus, you'll need a teaspoon to measure out your carrier oil. Here are the ingredients that you're going to need. You will need 2 teaspoons of a carrier oil of your choice. Sparoom has 3 really nice carrier oils: fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, and jojoba oil. We're going to use some fractionated coconut oil in this recipe. Fractionated coconut oil is expeller pressed right from the flesh of the coconut. Then it goes through an extra processing step that removes some of the heavier triglyceride molecules, so the oil doesn't solidify when it gets cold. Its benefits for the skin are many, including soothing and softening dry, rough skin. Plus, it has a very neutral aroma, which won't interfere with the aromas of your essential oils. Next, we're going to use lavender essential oil because lavender has actually been studied and written about for its powerful anti-anxiety relieving properties. Studies have shown that a few of the molecules present in lavender essential oil trigger the relaxation response in our mind and body, which is why it is the perfect oil to use in our anti-anxiety roll-on. Other oils you can add are frankincense or cedarwood. Both can be deeply relaxing to the mind and body. See, we told you the ingredients are simple. Now, let's make it. Measure out 2 teaspoons of your carrier oil. And remember, we are using fractionated coconut oil. Next, it's time to add your essential oils. Let's add 14 drops of lavender essential oil, 8 drops of cedarwood essential oil, and 8 drops of orange essential oil, and mix everything together very well. Now you are ready to pour carefully into your roll-on bottle. Insert the roll-on, cap it, and close. And now it's ready to use as often as you want. We like carrying it around with us all day and applying it to our pulse points throughout the day whenever we start feeling anxious or nervous, and it instantly soothes us. Want to start using more natural plant-powered ingredients in your skincare routine? Then keep following us for more tips and education about essential oils, how to use them, aromatherapy, and easy home how-tos. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wellness tips. And remember, wellness starts with simple, mindful choices. See you next time.